When people boxing. Let me try to see if I can also do it. Wonderful, wonderful. Good to see you. Welcome, welcome, welcome. It's Tommy Bay TV right about here. This is Mr. Laughter, and today we have a special moment in our life, and we're gonna bring you the latest sports. And this sport is from northern Uganda, and I have my guest here, that is Molendra, Dennis, and Ismail. So we are going to look at boxing. You guys know, you can see when people boxing. Let me try to see if I can also do it. The sports that you want, everyone around the world, you guys know the Pacquiaos, those ones, the fighters. You also know Ronaldo, Kelo, those ones, all these boxers. I don't know them, but I also know one good boxer. That is, yeah, the Oma, who was actually a member of I mean, he comes from Uganda, I think. So he has been also very good here in the US. So we want also to bring some bit of boxing from northern Uganda. We know people are there who can really do the job, and I have my friends here. Yeah, boys, you're welcome to the show.
Yeah, I'm been good. Yeah, I'm happy to be in touch and to be live right now talking about boxing. As I see, like in
Yeah,
boxing, I remember when I joined boxing in 2008. I started doing boxing in
yeah,
2008 when I was in P7, when I just joined Senior 1. So I started when I've been having a love for boxing, but not nowhere I can get the training. Unfortunately, then when we ran from our
yeah.
village, Cold, then we come to Gulu City. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
there I get a chance to
Yeah.
join start my boxing. So
Mm.
probably I entered in national team in 2012, whereby I was qualified to
Mm.
represent Uganda in Olympics, which has been in London. So unfortunately, Uganda they failed to
Yeah.
get the team. Then I come back, then
Yeah.
training again. Also, I get a chance to represent Uganda in Olympics again in 2016. Then Uganda said the money is not enough.
Mm.
Then I decided to join
Mm.
the KCCA, Kampala Boxing Club.
Mm.
Then from there,
Yeah.
I cancelled my contract. Then I come and form a club called Gulu Boxing Club to restore boxing in Acholi and in northern regions because my
Yeah.
Coach Vicky has been giving me the story how boxing started in Uganda. He never did tell me the year, but
Mm.
he told me boxing started from Gulu. Then again, boxing
Mm.
joined Bali district. Then again, come to Kampala. But right now, Kampala is dominating. We have many clubs in Uganda. So as I talk about
Yeah.
boxing is a good game, and boxing you must have a discipline so that you can push on with boxing, and you must be working hard because boxing when you be not training, so boxing become tough for you. Of
Mm.
course, when you want to
Yeah.
when you want to be good in boxing and you feel the boxing, you feel the cream for boxing, you must be working hard and you
Mm.
must be self-discipline. Self-discipline starts from you
Mm.
because boxing, when you're not
Yeah.
disciplined enough, then you cannot go on with
Mm.
boxing, go on with boxing further. So, but now I see
Yeah.
like being a good boxing club coming from Northern region and is the only registered club coming from Northern regions, and we've been having many
Mm.
challenges. And when we sending team to Kampala, we usually face a lot of challenges like we do our
Yeah.
training locally without the ring, and we just use with our boxer when we go for national team, they don't know the dimension of the
Mm.
ring, so that one become a challenge. And
Yeah.
we've been praying if someone plays the good boxing club with the ring, that one will be so great and will be a great blessing to entire northern region
Yeah.
Uganda because
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
all northern regions they don't have any boxing ring, so become very challenging
Yeah.
to when we go to national tournament like national open, national novice,
Mm.
national junior, become a challenge to our
Mm-hmm.
boxer because they don't know how to move in the boxing. in the boxing ring. So another challenge, like you
Yeah.
see in boxing, also we must be doing some hard work and techniques and gloves for sparring, the headgear, and you find sometimes we do
Mm.
our training locally than the gloves. So become a challenge
Yeah.
to go to boxing club when in town when we go to national tournament. All in all, although
Yeah.
we've been facing those challenges, still we're able to register
Mm-hmm.
a lot of many success. And you see, the challenge we've been facing, still we produce a boxer able to represent Uganda internationally. Like one example I can give, like Okelo Ronald representing Uganda in Cameroon and become number three in Africa.
Mm.
So that one become
Yeah.
a serious outcome and impact Gulu Boxing Club portray in the community as the Northern Uganda.
Mm.
For me, I remember
Yeah.
when I was doing the boxing, I've been seeing many good boxers. Like
Mm.
one example, which
Mm.
I usually admire, like Mayweather and Pacquiao. Pacquiao, I like the speed he
Yeah.
have, and Mayweather.
Yeah. Yeah. That's my guy.
Mayweather, I like the speed because
Yeah.
you know how to pull the someone who has the speed. So I've been when I was thinking, I
Yeah.
say I want to be a great boxer like this person, like this Mayweather, like this Tyson, Mike Tyson. So
Mm.
I just
Yeah.
this is what I can maybe try to enlighten about the boxing in our our regions, like northern regions, Gulu Boxing Club.
Mm.
So I just the only things which I can say like right now, as Gulu
Mm.
Boxing Club, we still going on and we still pushing on well with our training. We still mentoring and giving the
Mm.
good training to our young kids. And you see, we in Gulu Boxing Club we have like more than 96 boxer doing our
Mm.
training. And also, right now, we're able to
Mm.
form many clubs like in Amoro. We try to make the boxing message reach different corner along northern region. Like we've been moving
Mm.
district to district. We have our slogan called boxing tour. We usually tour
Yeah.
different district around the northern region so that people get to know about the boxing. And in that now we have like 14 clubs coming from northern regions, even from Laos side also we have
Mm.
clubs now so far. Now they are planning to get also registered to
Mm.
Uganda Boxing Federation. As I talk, me,
Okay.
I'm confident with the skill I'm having, the knowledge God bless me with, because right now,
Mm.
as I talk, I'm a qualified coach, certified coach, I'm a star one coach, whereby
Mm-hmm.
I can train around the world.
Mm.
So I'm just
Mm.
feeling happy for that. So anybody feel like starting with Gulu Boxing Club, like maybe to support Gulu
Mm.
Boxing Club with training equipment like bandages,
Mm.
gloves, and uh, hand wraps, headgear, whatever is welcome. But the only things
Yeah.
which is letting us down, the boxing ring. If
Mm.
we northern region we have equal boxing club holding not the boxing ring. I think that one can help also in sustainability of the clubs with because you can even be organizing some local games here, like even can
Mm.
organize some friendly match outside within our regions here, which can be helping the club to
Mm.
stand on its own as you see. So those are the things I can maybe talk about. If someone
Mm.
asks me about Gold Boxing Club, yeah, Gold Boxing Club is a
Mm.
registered club from northern regions, and we have like 96 boxer training with Gold Boxing Club, and we usually do
Mm.
the mentorship and molding them, training them spiritually in many aspects of their life. That's what we do in boxing club. Thank you.
Yeah, all right. Thank you so much, Mr. Molindra, Dennis, and for letting people know, except especially those ones who have just tuned in. We also know that boxing is one game that many people love, and in northern Uganda, being the city as we know, Gulu City, having only one boxing club. Um, that seems appalling, but also we want to support this one club that we have in the entire northern Uganda, and that is Gulu Boxing Club. And if you are there and you want to support these people and make it your goal to support them, you're so much welcome. And they're going to be here, and they will give you every single detail that you need if you want to support them. Because as you heard from Molindra, they have lots of needs. They need some rings. There's no ring completely in northern Uganda. They have some boxing. They need some boxing gloves. They need some bandage. They need a house where they can play their game and have their training. So as you know, Molindra said himself that he has Star One coach, which is a very big thing in all over the world. So he can train you boxing. That means they know what they're doing, and they're doing it for the right cause, and they want to be. Put Uganda into the limelight and put Uganda into the light of the world if they can go on and also participate. As you guys in the US and people in the UK and many parts of the world, you know how valuable basketball and you know how sports is. And we want to support sports in all aspects. As Tommy Bear TV, we want to bring it close to you. Now, Malindra, where can people really find you to support you easily? What can you say? What are some of the address or the number that people can use, or even email address that people can get so that they can support you in case they have any need?
Yeah, I think if there's anybody feel like standing and support these vulnerable children doing boxing in northern regions, right from Gulu Boxing Club,
Yeah.
I think I can share you my number. You can send any support,
Yeah.
any one by one make a bundle.
Yeah.
My number you can use plus two five
Mm-hmm.
six 77 84 82
Mm-hmm.
089.
Okay.
So if you feel like sending any support, you can reach that number. Or maybe you want to send like clubs, maybe the hand wraps, APR, whatever from outside. Also, you can use our address. Blue Boxing Club, Block 1058, Gulu, Uganda.
Mm-hmm.
There, any support you can reach that postal address can reach Gulu Boxing Club. So any support, you highly appreciate it, and we thank God for any support you support Gulu Boxing Club.
Okay, so what's the benefit of Gulu Boxing Club to the community? What, because some people would want to give their money or give their support in a place where they know that they're supporting people. What are you doing as Gulu Boxing Club to support the local people or the young youth, the people who are there, so that I know that if I send something, it's going to support this young youth or young people around there. What is Gulu Boxing Club doing generally for the youth?
Yeah, what we usually do, like us Gulu Boxing Club, we have a program called community works, whereby we usually organize the community works, whereby we go to the village and do some digging to elderly, old age, and also like more. Also, we have the community work, charitable work, where we are going to be working in the market called Lere Crossing Market, where we've been seeing like that the rubbish is full there. So we are trying a way of clearing that rubbish where the people dump the rubbish there. So we are going to clear that rubbish so that we put in a good place, and we to make the place be organized. Also, another things we do to community. Also, we do a visit to hospital whereby we
Yeah.
give some support like the shop and some
Mm-hmm.
lesson. Through the small
Mm-hmm.
support usually we get from when we organize the boxing tour, some
Mm-hmm.
people who come to watch the game, the payment
Yeah.
of the game also we return some to the community to support
Mm-hmm.
those who are giving back to the hospital. So those are
Mm-hmm.
the things. And any support we reach Gulu Boxing Club also. No, sometimes when we going for national tournament, also we
Mm-hmm.
tell our boxers, see this that talent. So we tell them to contribute toward
Yeah.
their goals and going to Kampala. And you will find some
Mm-hmm.
other people they don't have any support, they don't have any financial support, this can support themselves. So also we use the support whom we get from the gate collection to send
Mm-hmm.
our boxers to Kampala to participate for national tournament. So
Okay.
that's how we share to the community to make the community benefit. But it's also the
Yeah.
community also start with Gulu Boxing Club. They
Mm-hmm.
usually start with Gulu Boxing Club because I see sometimes when we are going to Kampala, like national tournament, taking okay runner to Kampala and some boxers like okay. Also we
Yeah.
move street to street,
Mm.
to
Yeah.
market. Some people also to something they support with 1,000, some 5,000, any amount they use it support. Then we collect that money, then we put it together. Then we pay the transport money, sending us to Kampala, then maintaining us to when we are in the lodge or whatever, then coming back. That's how we
Yeah.
usually share with the community and also community because the Gulu Boxing Club is a community based club. So
Yeah.
we depend on the support whereby the community support the Gulu Boxing Club. Yeah.
Mm. Yeah, that's really good that you involve the community in any aspects, because it's sometimes when we have something in the community and we don't really get them involved, becomes almost like your own thing, and the other people will say, this is just their own thing. But involving the community is good, and I like that you're also supporting the local market, local hospitals, and going out there to to clean and make people feel at home. That is a good thing to do as a boxing club. Now, finally, as we going to wind up, um, you can you maybe give us the number that people can send in the mobile money if they can. We know we have ways that people can send in their support. Uh, Maybe you repeat that number. We shall also put it on the screen later on for people to see, and you can be part of it if you want to support. And what else can we expect from you as Guru Boxing Club for this year?
Yeah, I think my number I can read for you, then it open to the public who are watching me live right now.
Yeah.
Your support can use this number plus 256
Mm,
77 84 82
mhm.
089,
Okay.
or you can send your support through our postal address,
Hmm.
Gulu Boxing Club, PO Box 1058,
Mm,
Gulu, Uganda. That support will reach Gulu Boxing Club, the rightful people. So right now we are preparing for national tournament,
mhm.
which is for national event.
Yeah.
It's going to be in Kampala.
Mm,
We are going to travel also,
okay.
whereby we are going to start seeing also reaching the community
Mm,
to support them as when we are going to Kampala, selecting the national team for Uganda.
yeah.
We are going this month on 20. This month we
Okay.
have to leave to Kampala.
Mm,
Official work is going to be on 20.
mm,
Then box real action will take place on 23rd
okay.
up to fast.
Mm,
So those are the things which I have to also to update the world so that they know how boxing is moving on
mm,
in northern region, especially Bull Boxing Club, the only club is coming
mm.
from northern regions representing northern regions. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Molindra. Ismail, how can you give us a short, maybe a brief overview of you training with Molindra? What are some of the benefits you have got so that people who want to join also can also be part of it? And where are you located exactly when somebody wants to find you?
Yeah, thank you. Called Roman Ismail from Gulu, a native of Gulu district, and I'm really happy to be live on TV. Uh, Actually, it is my dreams that I was planning, like, and I really wanted to be a champion one day.
Mm,
And believe me or not, it will happen.
yeah.
So, my message to community, to youth, to entire world, that please let's put boxing on the table and let's put uh, law virtually on table.
Mm,
Let's support Gulu Boxing Club in any way, in any capacity that you may have. Uh, from my like the way I see boxing, boxing is like a nice game, a nice game, and even full of respect,
hmm.
you know.
Yeah.
And a lot of things are happening.
Mm,
For sure, this year we are going to make it, and believe or not, we are going to be like in Uganda, we are going to win, and all champion, like number one,
mhm.
will come from Gulu Boxing Club.
That should be good.
So
Mm.
I believe God has heard our prayer, and everything will be well. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much, Ismail, for being part of this wonderful show. So you there who is out there, support these guys and make their dream come true as they want to really train so hard. They always say no gain, no pain. So no pain, no gain. That's the other way around. So you
Okay,
should be,
champion.
yeah, no pain, no gain. Yeah. So you have to at least practice and make it work so well. Thank you so much for joining us all around and being part of this wonderful show. For any support, yeah, the number will be up there. I'll put it up there for you guys to have a look at it as well, and you can be part of this wonderful show every day. So this is Tommy Bear TV. Subscribe if you have not subscribed, and be part of this wonderful show and be part of this wonderful TV. We shall bring you lots and lots, many details about Gulu Boxing Clubs to you on this channel. Make sure you stay tuned, and we shall bring any competition, anything that is going in Gulu Boxing Club. We shall bring out to you through this channel. And thank you so much for being part of the show. And thank you. We welcome you again and be part of us every single day. Thank you so much for joining. Subscribe.